Good morning, everybody. Just wanted to go through a quick tip on how to do leg extension. I'm going to be doing this today from a point of view perspective. So what we want to look at is the pad placement. The way this particular machine works, you have your longest distance at XL to small. We're going to do it to small because we want to keep this pad close to the knee because the resistance actually shortens the closer we get to the knee. And we want to work our leg, not our knee. Now, as we put it into place, this right here is known as an axis, and all you need to know is that it's your pivot point. But as far as where your leg placement needs to be, this needs to be able to draw a line straight through your knees. Again, here, through your knees. Now, if your knees happen to be here, you need to bring the pad back so it aligns like so. If the pad is too far back, you need to scoot up so it comes here. Again, your knees are going to be the indicator if you're in the right position. Now, as far as weight is concerned, you want to choose a weight that you can control, meaning that you're not going to fling it up and down. You're going to be able to stop at any moment within the actual movement. That is how I'm going to define control. So we want our back straight. Again, we're aligned where we need to be, and I want to control the movement. I want to bring it up basically as a 3 count. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and you can come all the way down and bring it back up. But again, control is where I can stop like I am right here at any time. Now, what I don't want to do, and I'm going to do some assistance here to demonstrate how to do it wrong. I have it on very lightweight, and I do not recommend doing this, but if you just fling it up like so, if that comes in the air, just remember what goes up must come down. It hits the legs, and that's going to jar on the knee, not necessarily the leg. We want to work out our legs, not the knee. So to really burn on those quads, slow and controlled movement, control up, control down. What you don't see is going fast. A little takes you a long way, guys. Remember, pace yourself. If you're new at this, master the movement. You can go up in weight when you go really high in repetitions. Until then, keep it nice and controlled and enjoy the benefits of exercise. Hope you enjoyed the quick tips on the leg extension. If you like this, please let me know. Insert a comment or a like, subscribe, and I will see you next time.